Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome to my channel. And I think you just saw Otis as well. Today we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree and a Family Dollar haul for you today. And I'm pretty excited about it. I found some really cute stuff. And at Dollar Tree, I found some stuff that I had been looking for a little while. So this is a good thing, I think. Let's go ahead and start with the thank yous. Haha. We are going to say, of course, sir, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, my long-termers, short-termers, the newbies, everybody that's been checking out the channel recently. Thank you so much. If you were brand new to the channel, maybe YouTube actually recommended the video and you're watching it for the first time, I hope that you will consider becoming a subscriber and hanging out with us today and in future days ahead. All right, let's jump into it. Now for Dollar Tree, I needed some cookie sheets. Mine were really bad, and I grabbed 2 cookie sheets while I was out. Very easy to use these, and they hold up pretty well, I think, for the most part. I feel good about them when I buy them. I found the coveted rainbow wreath form. Oh, look at that. There's my receipt. You know what we're going to talk about in a minute. The rainbow wreath form, which is funny because it's just I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree just took the circle wreath form and cut it in half. But it is I'm trying to see how big it is. It is a 16-inch wreath form. And I bought 2 of them because I want to do some DIYs with them. And I think that they will be super cute. I have an idea in my brain that I'm kind of milling around right now. And then I found the peace sign. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe it's easier against my shirt. You can see there, and the circle. And then here, I literally lucked out with this. This was sitting on a shelf that somebody had picked up. And then I guess they decided they didn't want it and they put it down, and I saw it and I snagged it. It is the peace sign wreath form. It's 14 inches in case you're curious on how big it is. And I thought that it would be fun to make a floral wreath with that peace sign wreath form. And I'm going to be doing, I'm thinking, you know, kind of like Flower Power of the 70s. And I bought all of these flowers that have the clips on them. And I think I'm just going to go all the way around. And I bought them in all different colors. I bought the purple, I bought the orange, I bought the red. I bought 2 packages of each. And then I thought for the smaller part in the center, I might need a little bit smaller flowers. So I did buy some of these guys as well. So we're gonna do a Flower Power wreath. I think that will be fun. Receipts, before I forget it, I have one for Dollar Tree and I also have one for Fetch Rewards. If you're not familiar with those, every time you shop, it's an app that you download. Every time you shop, scan your receipt, you will earn points towards free gift cards, or points that you can redeem for gift cards, magazine, I can't talk today, magazine subscriptions, there's Otis again, and all kinds of other goodies. So definitely put those receipts somewhere safe and remember to scan them in the app. If you're not familiar with it, there is a link below in the description box that you can check out, and it'll take you to my page, or it'll take you to sign up for them, and I'll get a little credit for it. And when you do sign up, you'll get 2,000 points. So they had these acrylic gems. They had them in the red, they had them in the blue, and I thought that these would be great for the upcoming 4th of July. I already have some that are clear, so I might try and do a little 4th of July table decoration or something. Garland wreath forms, I have not seen these in quite a while at my stores, and I have an idea. I have a great wicker, really thick, like wicker or rattan kind of a wreath form, and I think I'm going to do something with them with that for the front door. The other thing, oops, that's a Family Dollar bag. Gotta wait on that one. The other thing I grabbed was this desk organizer tray. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet or not. I've seen a couple people haul these and I was super excited to find this. I think I'm gonna use it as a desk organizer tray. At least I think anyway. And you know, it doesn't say anything on there, at least nothing that I can see real quick, that says that was Otis saying hi. Otis, come here, buddy. Come say hi. Come say hi. Come on. He's under the coffee table. You can kind of see him right there. He'll pop out in just a second. But I don't know if this would be food safe or not. It doesn't say anything. It's plastic, so I think it should be okay. But it kind of gives me like an old TV dinner kind of vibe, which I thought was kind of cool too. So certainly something fun. Hi, buddy. Can you guys see him? You can barely see him. Come say hi. Poke your head up. Hi, buddy. He's like, hi, Dad, thanks. I grabbed another one of these because one of my friends asked me to get this for her in blue. So I just happened to be at the store and I saw them. She hasn't texted me back yet, but hopefully she still wants it. And if not, I'll figure out something to do with it. I thought that this little flamingo was cute. It's a 3D wood puzzle. And for summer and for beach and everything else coming up this season, I thought that could be a fun DIY project to add to the fun. They had a pencil case that was a rainbow that I thought was super, super cute. And I grabbed that. I like to have those things and keep my, like when I travel and things, I like to keep my, like even pens and pencils, but also like cords and different things in them. I love Swedish fish. So bought some Swedish fish. And then I bought a protein shake because Crafty DIY guy is getting fat and I need to start watching better. Wait, that is Family Dollar. That is Family Dollar. Oh, and speaking of getting fat, they, if you've not had these yet at Dollar Tree, these are like crack. I'm not even joking with you. These are the honey hot flavor cheese doodles from Dollar Tree, and they are delicious. They are really, really, really good. All right. Oh, one more Dollar Tree bag. I knew I had one more. Really cute signs for like your Wi-Fi password, but I thought that this would be also cute for something else. So I'm going to redo this into something else. It's got a chalkboard on it. Looks like it can come off fairly easy. Great little tag, very kind of cool and industrial looking even. So again, thought that this was something that could be easily reflipped into something. I'd mentioned these during my last haul and I went ahead and grabbed a couple more because I'm thinking ahead for Christmas time. I think that these would be fantastic for Christmas decor. So I'm going to put those in the holiday stash. These adhesive diamond wrap gems, how cute are those? Like the rainbow. Really, really, really like those and wanted to grab those. I just thought this was cute. That's the only reason why I bought it. It looks like a Lego. It's a little drink box. Hopefully no kid has sucked on this already. And, you know, I try to drink my water and stuff, and it helps to put it in kind of a fun little container. So that was something I grabbed. Party favor section, my new favorite section at Dollar Tree. They had these propellers that I thought could be fun and turned into a DIY of some kind. So I'm going to figure out something with those. And then they had these kind of like fish. You can see like fish and starfish and crabs and lobsters, and probably not lobsters, but I think you know what I mean. And they have all kinds of really cute things in here. Otis, come say hi. You keep meowing over there off camera. And again, thinking beachwear or beach time, summertime DIY. So look for those to come out in something very, very soon. I know, Bubba. Come over and say hi. Epsom salt, if you don't know, if you have sore feet like I do all the time, Epsom salt is a great way to help resolve that and help soothe that. And this is a activated charcoal one that they had. And then this is just their regular one that I typically buy. Excuse me. So I thought that that could be cool. Otis is creeping his way over here. Hi, buddy. Are you going to come say hi to me? You're just going to sit there? Okay. That's good too. All right. They have lots of really cute cutouts at Family Dollar that are different than some of the things that I've been seeing at other places. So I'm going to answer the door real quick and then I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I had some AC work done on my house earlier today And the technician that was here earlier left a very expensive piece of equipment here, and I took a picture of it and texted to him, and he came back to pick it up before he went home for the evening. So that's what I had to answer the door for. All right, wood cutouts, great wood cutouts, and this is only like 5 of the various ones that I bought. So check that out, right? Kind of looks like well, it's a triangle, but reminds me of like a pennant. That's probably what it is. So I bought 5 of them because I was thinking that I could create a pennant, you know, like a, is it a garland? Is that what I'm trying to say? Kind of like a garland. And because they're wood, I thought that they could even look really cool if they were stained and maybe put on the fireplace or something. They could be fun for a party. Or you could turn them into a DIY. Honestly, I was even thinking of doing something, you know, gluing them together and creating something with them. But I loved those. They were only $1 a piece, by the way. And I'll try to remember also. I think that's everything I've shown you so far, just from Family Dollar. And then they had these gemstone stickers. Again, kind of keeping with the theme. I bought 2 of each color. So I did a red, silver, and blue. You know, thinking 4th of July. Again, red, white, and blue. The other bag. Oh, this is just like so silly. Boston baked beans. I like these too. Put them over there with the Swedish fish. And the other thing, oh, this is all cut out, so I'll show you that. Oh, and these are really cute cutouts too. Oh, and look, another receipt. Guess where it's from? Family Dollar. So again, I'm going to scan this into Fetch Rewards and earn points literally for this little shopping experience. And hopefully earn some points to be able to redeem for another gift card very soon. They do like magazine subscriptions, Amazon gift cards, movie theater gift cards, all kinds of retailers, Target, I think Walmart is on there. So really lots and lots of different gift cards. Okay, I found a ton of wood cutouts, and I also found, let me pull this over here so I don't forget it, some decor stuff too. All right, how cute is this little box? Right, that one says peace. Super, super cute. I'm thinking, you know, drill a hole in it and you've got something that you could hang on the wall very, very easily. But then they also had one that said laugh. Again, super, super cute. These were $1. Super, super cute. And then they also had one that said home, which I thought was very fitting. And I'm thinking mail. Like, you know, you come in, maybe you put your mail there or something, maybe not outgoing mail, but I don't know. I was thinking also turning these into a planter, you know, put some wood in there, paint it maybe a bright color. That way it really pops through here, stain or paint this, and then you could use this for plants and hang it even on the wall. So again, just something that was super cute and I thought was really fun and different. This was something that I really liked. It's a bamboo board. I don't know if it's a cutting board per se, or if it does say prep and serve on it. And so it is food safe because it does have a picture of cheese, but it looks like a Georgia license plate. And see what it says? Peachy. And because I live in Georgia, why wouldn't I have a Georgia cutting board of some kind? Because again, super, super cute. And I just kind of thought it would be fun to have, honestly. I'm trying to get it out of here so I can show you how big it is. I think it was like $8, which was a little high. But apparently they make these in all the different states. So maybe you can find something similar. But how cute is that? Especially, you know, living here in Georgia, I've got friends over, I'm gonna entertain, you're gonna put out a cheese board. It's kind of cute, it's kind of perfect. So that I'm really excited about. More cutouts, great cutouts. And then I have like 2 more things after these cutouts. Okay. They had these laser wood kind of cutouts. These were $1. And it is this wreath form. super cute. Isn't that adorable? Look at all the details. How fun will that be to paint? I will not be painting it. I'll probably send it to my sister and let her paint it. But again, even if you just chose to stain this, I bought 2 of them, so that's what you see there. But even if you just chose to stain this, or, you know, if you wanted to go ahead and paint the individual details and colors on it, you certainly could. Again, looks super, super cute. Really, really cute birdhouse. I like how that's right there. It's funny, it looks like it's etched, but it's not. It's actually just part of the wood. And again, there's not even a little, well, I guess on this bottom one, there is a little tiny, yeah, there's a little tiny notch there. But how cute is that? Incorporate it into a sign. If you have a Cricut or silhouette or something like that, really make it fun. Such a cute idea. More little houses. These, I bought 2 of these. These are $1 each as well. Look how cute that is. Little house shape. And these are really more defined grooves there. And again, something super, super cute that you could easily do a DIY with. I even thought at some point, I was like, well, what if you did something like that and made like a little cheese board or something? I don't know. And then they had some picket fences. So again, same kind of cutout there. You can kind of see there. And again, they were $1 each. So they had those. And then I bought a pair of shorts for myself, just a pair of workout shorts, because they had that great stripe along the side. They were $9 and they were super, super, $9, is that right? Yeah, $9, super comfy. And then the last thing I bought, this was only $5. And I was super impressed with this. And I love the size of it, probably more so than anything. I've seen lots of these types of things around, but never for this price point. Isn't that cute? It's like an American flag sign. It's kind of like that, kind of that wood, you know, ish stuff that a lot of the Dollar Tree signs and things are made out of. It does have twine on it. I'm gonna hang it on the front porch and use it for 4th of July decor. And again, really liked it. That's kind of the back of it, so you can kind of see how it looks. But again, super, super cute. And I may even like take some, I was gonna probably take some sandpaper, maybe even rough up the edges a little bit, you know, to make it a little more distressed looking. But for the size of this thing and for it to only be $5, come on, that was fantastic. That I was super excited about. And before I forget, the Dollar Tree that I always go to, that is my favorite one, they are turning into a Dollar Tree Plus store. And they were getting their aisles and such set up. They will have Dollar Tree Plus stuff out within the next couple weeks. There's Otis again. Otis, come on, buddy. Come here. He's like, I'm not getting on camera, Dad. But anyway, so hopefully soon I'll be able to do a Dollar Tree Plus haul. All right, guys, that's it for today. And I will be bringing you more DIY projects and more Cricut and more thrift flips and more collaborations and all kinds of stuff very soon. All right, take care. Bye.